Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Blockmate Ventures channel, a Web3 incubator focusing on businesses that utilize blockchain technology and decentralization. Joining us to give us a high-level overview of some recent news of the company and what we can expect through 2024, Justin, the CEO. But welcome, sir.
Thanks so much, Carl. Good to be here.
Yeah, a pleasure to get you on. So I want to dive into this because you recently announced raising 2.5 million for the company. Do you want to expand on exactly what's going on here?
Sure. So just to clarify, that 2.5 was into our previously wholly owned subsidiary, Hivelo, and we set out to raise $1 million, and that was oversubscribed. So we took an extra $500,000 at the 5 million US valuation. We continued to be overwhelmed with investor interest, and we opened up another round immediately at an 80% premium at a 9 million US valuation. And so our total raise is now $2.5 million for Hivelo. And at the 10 million pre-money, 10 million post-money valuation US, our Blockmate 67% current holding is worth 8.1 cents, which is a significant premium to our current trading price.
Yeah, definitely a little bit of a value set up here, and clearly some intrigued interest. But Avilo, do you want to kind of just expand on exactly what they're doing and how it kind of plays into Blockmate?
Sure. So Hivelo is, I like to think of it as the app store for crypto mining. And so what we do is, just like the App Store, it's as easy as a click of a button. We've made mining that simple. And what we're doing is we're connecting nodes, which are just laptops all around the world, with the tokens that benefit from that distributed infrastructure. And that's how we're able to deliver the surplus returns for these mums and dad miners that they could never get those returns mining Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other type of mainstream coins. But there's a rapidly growing sector called DePIN, which is decentralized physical infrastructure networks that leverage off the CPUs, the GPUs, the bandwidth, the VPNs, all the capabilities of laptops around the world, that Hivelo is brilliantly positioned to aggregate, deliver the best returns for each of those mum and dad miners, and connect them to the tokens that desperately and handsomely rewarding us for the distribution. And so this raise that I just mentioned wasn't through retail investors. It was through Web3 funds that have learned about the DePIN rapid growth, probably have invested in some of the DePIN protocols themselves, and see Hivelo as an aggregator for DePIN. So it's just the right time, right place.
Yeah, I definitely appreciate this. As it looks like you're kind of laying the groundwork for some real potential here in 2024. But if there's one thing you're focused on, if there's one thing investors should pay attention to here when it comes to this year, what just from a milestone expectation, what are you guys looking forward to?
So with the 2.5 million in the bank, we're going to complete our product within the next few months and start to onboard users. And in each sector, we'll then start to ramp up the marketing globally to onboard users. So Hivelo has been designed to be, as I said, as frictionless as the App Store. So anyone, anywhere can download the app. So we're hoping to, provide, once the products launch, monthly updates to the market in terms of user adoption.
Well, on that note, I'll pass it off to the viewers. We'd love to know what you think in that comment section below. And consider subscribing, because when Catalyst news continue to hit the wire, of course, we'll bring it to you here. But on that note, we look forward to catching you in the next one.